In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the first day of the week in Google Calendar. Whether your week starts on Sunday, Monday, or any other day, customizing it to fit your schedule can make a world of difference in organizing your tasks and commitments. Let's dive right in and simplify this process using your desktop, specifically through a web browser. First, you'll need to open Google Calendar. Make sure you're logged into your Google account and navigate to your Google Calendar page. If you haven't done so already, just go to calendar.google.com to access this tool. Once you're on the page, the next step is to find the gear icon located at the top right of the screen. Clicking on this gear icon will open a drop-down menu, providing you with various options. Here, you'll want to select Settings. This section allows you to customize several aspects of the calendar, ensuring it functions precisely as you'd like. Now, let's look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with multiple options. Under the General tab, find the View options. This might require scrolling down a bit, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. The View options section is essential for adjusting how you visualize your calendar, which includes the start of weeks and even how events are shown. In the View options, you're looking for the setting labeled Start Week On. This is where you can change the first day of your week in your Google Calendar. Click on the drop-down menu associated with this setting. You'll see a list of days ranging from Sunday to Saturday. Simply choose your preferred starting day. So, if you're used to a week beginning on Monday instead of Sunday, you can easily make that adjustment here. And there you have it. By selecting your preferred start day, you've customized your calendar view to align perfectly with your routine. This change might seem small, but it can have a significant impact on your productivity by allowing you to plan and execute your weekly tasks more effectively. Remember, these changes only apply to how you view your calendar, not how others see shared calendars. It's a personal adjustment designed to streamline your experience. We hope this guide has been straightforward and helpful, making it easier for you to customize your Google Calendar to fit your needs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, be sure to subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your digital tools. Stay organized and have a great week ahead.